Never had to deal with taxes, health insurance, responsibilities. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a taste test on new ice cream flavors and brands that I have never tried before in my life. And yeah, if you guys like videos like this, give me a thumbs up, comment, rate, and subscribe if you guys like videos like this. And also, for the people who left me comments in the last video, I promise I have not forgotten about you. I will be doing those videos up next. So yes, there's that, but wait on it, I got y'all. But yes, let's go ahead and get into this ice cream because I don't want it to melt and I'm really excited. Okay, so first things first, I think I want to try, I have never tried any of these, so I don't know what it's like. I know Magnum always have like really good reviews or whatever. Okay, let's go ahead and, we'll just go ahead and try the small ones first. This is Caramel Chocolate Cheesecake Truffles by Ben&Jerry's. Now Ben&Jerry's is my favorite brand. So let me go ahead and move this to the side so then you guys can actually see what I'm taste testing. So Ben&Jerry's is my favorite go-to ice cream because I feel like the quality and the dairy they use, it's really good. Like their cows are happy. So happy cows, happy dairy, and happy ice cream. Happy customer. So this is caramel chocolate cheesecake. There's caramel cheesecake ice cream with graham cracker covered cheesecake truffles and chocolate cookie swirls. My favorite brand, my favorite flavor from this brand is everything but the ... It's like almonds, chocolate, and all this crazy stuff in there. Okay, maybe I wanna get like a chunk of everything. Ooh, girl. That looks so good. How crazy is it that it's winter time over here and I want ice cream, right? Mm-hmm. Wow. Wow, this is, what? I just had a big chunk of cheesecake. It's so good. If you guys like cheesecake, I have like chunks in here. Mm-hmm. I swear, Ben&Jerry's is undefeated. Undefeated, I tell ya. Okay, so the next one is called Friend. Oh, let me rate this. I give this an 8 out of 10 because the everything but the is definitely a 9 out of 10. I normally pull towards chocolate ice cream more than fruity stuff, so you guys probably don't. Actually, there's nothing really fruity here, so. But I normally pull towards chocolate more if I'm eating ice cream. Okay, so the next brand is called Friendly's Peanut Butter Cup. There's peanut butter ice cream topped with fudge, peanut butter sauce chopped peanut butter cups. This is a sundae. I've never had this brand and I think the packaging just pulled me towards this, but I don't have high hopes for it because it just looks like one of those cheap ice creams. I actually don't even know how you open this. Oh. Here's what it looks on the inside. So I normally go for peanut butter ice cream, especially after a hard lift because your body kind of just craves protein. Wow, look at this. Holy crap. They weren't kidding about that sundae. That chocolate is melty. Okay, let's try it. It's not bad. The chocolate and the peanut butter right here is really rich, but the ice cream itself, it's a little airy. It's a bit too airy for my taste. Like, you guys can probably see how airy it is. It's a bit too airy. I like my ice cream to be more rich. So I give this one, by the way, this was $1. And the Ben&Jerry is like $5 or $6 or something. I give this probably like 7 out of 10 because the ice cream is not as rich as I would want it to be. Okay, let's try this one. So this is Turkey Hill all natural ice cream made with non-GMO ingredients, butter, almond, and chocolate milk, cream, sugar, cocoa, vanilla, butter, roasted almonds. So that's what's in here, as you can see by the picture. There's chocolate ice cream, vanilla ice cream, and roasted almonds. I love roasted almonds in ice cream, so I think that's why I pulled towards this one, and I wanted 2 flavors instead of 1 flavor, just so I can have more variety. And I normally don't go for Turkey Hill brand. It's just not a thing for me, but we'll see what this one tastes like. So let me see if I could find myself. I don't know where the almonds are at. So it looks a little bit airy at first. Let me find an almond. I don't see any almonds. Oh, they're in the vanilla part. The almonds are in the vanilla. Should've just got a rocky road. I'm a little disappointed. I give this one a 6 out of 10. This one was a little sad. It does taste natural though. It tastes very light. Not super creamy like the Ben&Jerry's. Definitely not getting that one again. Okay, let's try some of these Magnum minis. I've heard good things about Magnums. Magnums. Made with Belgium chocolate. Classic mini Magnum ice creams. There's a classic, there's an almond, and there's a white chocolate. So the classic has vanilla bean ice cream dipped in milk, chocolate. The milk chocolate has sea salt and roasted almonds in it, and the white one is just white chocolate. Do you guys like this at home? Do you guys normally get these? I bet you minis are so stinking cute. Let me see. Ooh. I'm gonna try one of each. let's do the white chocolate first, because if I try the white chocolate first, my taste buds would be a little bit kind of like lighter. You know what, guys? Don't get this shirt from Forever 21. It's trash. Like the strap right here, it's not staying up. But the one I showed you guys in my last video with the scrunchie on the side with the dots, that one stayed up pretty well. This one though, this one's trash. Okay, so this is what the ice cream looks like. Can you guys see it? Okay, first bite. So the chocolate is really good, but the ice cream is not all that. I feel the ice cream is not rich enough. So I wish I can give like, overall I'll give this a 7 out of 10. Because if it was there in my fridge, I would grab it, but I wouldn't buy it again. So this is the chocolate, just regular milk chocolate. Vanilla ice cream, milk chocolate on the inside. Guys, quality of this ice cream is not that good. Oh shit. It's not amazing. It's not rich. Do you guys like rich ice cream, or do you guys like light ice cream, or what? It's not rich enough for me. I like rich stuff. Okay, so this is the almond one. That looks bomb. How cute are these little mini ice creams? So stinking cute. Also yeah, the ice cream's not doing it for me, but the chocolate's really good. Last but not least, this is the Bluebell ice cream Christmas cookie. I think it's only out during the Christmas time. There's sugar cookie flavored ice cream with chocolate chip, snickerdoodle, and sugar cookies, red sprinkles, and green icing swirl. Natural and artificial flavor added. Artificial, love it. Okay, so let me open this. It looks really pretty. I haven't had this. One of my friends recommended this to me. Ooh. That's what it looks like. Let's see. Ooh, I can feel the chunks of cookies. There's legit cookies in here? Sugar cookies. Look at that chunk of cookie. Massive. So the ice cream itself is very light too. But the cookie and the sprinkle is really good. Have you guys had their two-step? Their two-step is so good. But as for this one, I like the filling that's in here, but the ice cream is not rich enough for me. So I give it a 7 out of 10. Wouldn't buy it again. So the winner is, overall, if there's something I have to buy again, it'll be Ben&Jerry's Caramel Chocolate Cheesecake Truffle. It's new, guys. Go out there and try this damn cheesecake ice cream. Oh my god. It's just so good. It's so rich. The cows are so happy. Whatever cows are getting the milk from, they're just like living life. They're like hippie cows. Never had to deal with taxes, health insurance, responsibilities. Yep. Okay, last bite. Last bite, for real, for real, for real. Just in case. If you guys try it, let me know what you think. Whew, okay, I think I might pass out. Well, that was fun. Okay, so this concludes my video. If you guys like videos like this, leave me a thumbs up. Let me know what you guys think, if I should do more ice cream videos. And yes, I will catch you guys in my next video.